Hello everyone! Stop scrolling other YouTube videos because I can give you 5 online courses platforms where you can find AI courses for free with free certificates. In fact, AI is more and more adopted by businesses, by societies, and it enables to grow your businesses, to transform your career, or has to facilitate your learning. So, are you ready? Let's go!
1. NVIDIA. To access NVIDIA's free AI courses, visit their website and click on the All Courses tab. From there, select the category Generative AI LLM to explore a wide range of courses. These include topics like generative AI and building retrieval augmented generation RAG systems. Courses range from 1 to 8 hours, making it a perfect choice for both beginners and professionals eager to dive into AI. 2. AWS Skill Builder. Head over to explore.skillbuilder.ws, a platform offering a vast catalog of certifying courses across various domains. To find free AI courses, simply type artificial intelligence in the search bar. Scroll down to discover numerous free options, including pathways designed to help you learn at your own pace. AWS Skill Builder is an excellent resource for foundational and advanced AI knowledge. 3. IBM SkillsBuild. For IBM's free online course catalog, search skillsbuild.org course catalog in your browser. Click on the first link and you'll land directly on their course catalog. Use the menu on the left to filter courses by category. IBM offers free courses tailored for different audiences, such as students and educators, providing an organized and easy-to-navigate learning experience. Their courses are highly credible and ideal for building your AI expertise. 4. MindLuster. Visit mindluster.com and click on Categories. Then select Artificial Intelligence. Here, you'll find a range of free courses, many of which come with free certificates. While some of the content includes YouTube videos, the platform adds value through exams that test your knowledge and award certificates upon completion. MindLuster is a great starting point for anyone new to AI, offering simple and accessible learning paths. 5. The Linux Foundation. Given the vast size of the Linux Foundation's website, the easiest way to access their free AI courses is to search Linux Foundation Training Catalog in your browser. Once on the catalog page, use the filter on the left under Area of Interest and select AI Machine Learning. Here, you'll find free courses that include certificates in the form of badges. Be sure to double-check course details, as some certificates may require a fee even if the course itself is free. This platform is perfect for tech enthusiasts eager to deepen their AI knowledge. Bonus: E-newcademy. On E-newcademy's free MOOC section, we offer 2 completely free AI courses. There are no hidden fees. Both the courses and their certificates are entirely free. All you need to do is sign up and create an account in just 5 minutes, and you're ready to start learning. Our courses cover practical topics designed to help you build real-world skills in AI.
Before to finish this video, if you want to deal with AI courses or has another area, I have a present for you. Use this coupon code and go to the description to find the link and to find courses in tutorial points and use this discount code to get discount for online courses. So don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel and to visit E-newcademy.com. You can find interesting online courses or hard advice. Thank you. See you again.